is obnoxious. Obnoxious, and its meaning causing disapproval or something offensive, and its opposite word we can say agreeable or lovable, and in a sentence we can say he is an obnoxious person. Now let us just move to the questions and its answer segment. So I hope you must have prepared yourself to answer all the questions. So there are some technical issue because of which that link was disconnected. Now I hope you will be with me and we will have our question answer quickly. Okay, question number 1. The mountain in the poem, All Things Bright and Beautiful. The mountain. Yes, Lipsa, good evening. So, the mountain in the poem All Things Bright and Beautiful is described as dash, blue colored, black colored, purple headed, or dark headed. So, who can say quickly? Just write down the answer A, B, C, D. Blue colored, black colored, or purple headed or dark headed. It is purple. Okay, Rudra. Very good. Lipsa, fine. Let us move to the next one. The poet described that the fruits in the garden are dash. The fruits in the garden, they are ripe, red, sweet or big. Ripe, red, sweet or big. Who can say ripe, red or... Yes, very good. So clap for yourself. You have answering the questions. You are answering the questions quickly and correctly. So the poet describes that the fruits in the garden are ripe. Next is, when does the cuckoo bird sing? In autumn, in spring, in summer, or in winter? When does the cuckoo bird sing? Autumn, spring, summer, or winter? Yes, B, winter. In winter, the cuckoo bird sings. Very good. Then next is, who does Wordsworth compare the solitary reaper to? Yes, very good. Niharika, Dippa, Lipsa, and its cat lover. So you all are just writing the answers correctly, quickly. I want this one from you so that you will write the answers just after hearing the questions. That is my motto. So who does Wordsworth compare the solitary reaper to? The cuckoo, the nightingale, both cuckoo and nightingale, or other singers? Who does the Wordsworth compare solitary reaper to? Cuckoo, nightingale, both cuckoo and nightingale, or other singers? Yes, very good, Gitanjali. And yes, write down your name. I want to call. Okay, Rudra, Lillu, very good, Niharika. Okay, C is the correct answer, both cuckoo and nightingale. Next is, the river isles in the village song are haunted by... The river isles in the village song are haunted by nightingale, quail, skylark, sparrow. Nightingale, quail, skylark, or sparrow. Which bird? So nightingale, quail, or the river? Yes, very good. Not nightingale, it is quail hunted isles, river isles. The quail hunted river isles. You will find in your book the quail hunted river isles. The bridal robes as described in village song are dash in color. The bridal robes, yellow, blue, green, white, silver saffron, or silver red. Yellow, blue, green, white, silver saffron, or silver red. Which one is correct? Quickly tell me. The bridal robes as described in the poem village song are dash in color. Very good. So it is C, silver and saffron. Yes, Litu, very good. Rani, Rudra, very good. So clap for yourself. You have answered the questions correctly. Okay, Madhusmita, good evening. Okay. So next is, who is the poet of the poem From the Formalin Jar? Okay, Madhusmita. So next question is, who is the poet of the poem From the Formalin Jar? Dr. Rita S. Mani, William Wordsworth, or John Keats, or Sarojini Naidu? Dr. Rita S. Mani, William Wordsworth, or John Keats, or Sarojini Naidu? So it is Dr. Rita S. Mani. Yes, very good, Ipsita, Rani, and Gitanjali. Yes, Madhusmita, Rudra. Very good. Next is, what was Vicky's motto in life? No pain, no gain. To be a doctor, social service, or to work hard and achieve? What is the motto of... Okay, Dr. Rita S. Mani. So what is the motto of Whose motto we are talking about? Vicky's motto in life. Yes, Niharika, very good. So it is no pain, no gain. If we will not work hard, then there will be no positive result. So no pain, no gain. How was Vicky's grandfather? Tell me, how was Vicky's grandfather? A young lady with smiling face, an educated woman, an old woman with wrinkles in his face, in her face, or an uneducated woman? How was Vicky's grandmother? How was Vicky's grandmother? See. So, an old woman with wrinkles on her face. Very good. Then 10 from poem. 10th question. What is the profession of the poet Dr. Rita S. Mani? What is the profession? What is her profession? Scientist, neurologist, or cardiologist, or neurovirologist? Scientist, neurologist, or cardiologist, or neurovirologist. If you will go to the about the poet in the chapter Dr. Rita S. Mani, you will know that Rita S. Mani is a doctor of neurovirologist. Neurovirologist. Then next is prose. The big drops of rain. The big drops of rain are treated as dash. 5 cent pieces, 10 cent pieces, silver coins, or new silver coins. The big drops of rain. Yes, Rudra, Rani, Madhusmita, Dippa, Niharika, very good. So when you listen, just quickly write down the answer. Yes, Gitanjali. So it is 10 cent pieces. Next, question number 12. After the hailstorm, the field looked white. So after the hailstorm, the field looks white, as if dash wrapped in a rain, wrapped in a cotton of rain, or covered with salt, covered with ice, covered with water. So how does the field look after hailstorm? Number 1, wrapped in a cotton of rain, covered with salt, covered with ice, and covered with water. Yes, tell me. So covered with, yes, B or C, ice or salt? Who can say? Yes, salt is the correct answer. Gandhiji obtained a scholarship of rupees dash when he was in 5th standard. When Gandhiji was in 5th standard, he obtained a scholarship of dash. So options are 4, 10, 20, 30. 4, 10, 20, 30. Yes, Madhusmita, very good. Gitanjali, fine, very good for answering the questions quickly and also correctly. So 4 cent piece, 4 rupees. Next is, a plague of locusts would have left more than this. A plague of locusts would have left more than this. Whom did Lencho say this sentence? Whom did Lencho say this? Yes, Ipsita. So write what you are writing, I can't understand. So to himself, to his wife, to other farmers, to his son. Whom did Lencho say so? To himself, or wife, or farmers, or to his son, that a plague of locusts would have left more than this. Yes, very good, Rani. It's to his son, Gitanjali. Very good. Next is, this subject commenced from the 4th standard. So which subject does it mean? Persian, Sanskrit, mathematics, or geography? This subject commenced from, yes, Madhusmita, Dippa, Ipsita, Litu. Very good. So Gitanjali. Okay. So next is, this subject commenced from the 4th standard. Which subject it talks about? Persian, Sanskrit, mathematics, geography. Sanskrit, very good. Next is, where did Gandhiji see the beautiful handwriting of the lawyers or young men or women? Yes, Priyadarshini, okay, fine. So, where did Gandhiji see the beautiful handwriting of lawyers and young men? England, South Africa, America, or New Delhi? England, South Africa, America, or New Delhi? Where did he saw the beautiful handwriting of the young men? So I saw the beautiful handwriting of lawyers, young men born and educated in South Africa. I think not in England. It is South Africa. Why are you all writing England? So I am reading from your book. I saw the beautiful handwriting of lawyers, young men born and educated in South Africa, not in England. Okay. Then Next question is, which state is not included even among the seven sisters? Which state is not included in seven sisters? Manipur, Sikkim, Tripura, Nagaland. Manipur, Sikkim, Tripura, Nagaland. Manipur, Sikkim, Tripura, Nagaland. Fine, very good. So it is Sikkim, which is known as the little brother to these seven sisters. Every year, the Zero festival is held in the month of Dash. Every year, okay, study with Susil. Okay, good evening. So next question is, every year the Zero festival is held in the month of Dash. September, October, November, December. September, October, November or December. So it is, yes, Sikkim. Very good. Now next question, question number 18. Every year the Zero festival is observed or held in the month of, yes, very good, Madhusmita, Gitanjali, Ipsita. So clap for yourself. You are answering the questions quickly, easily, correctly. So if you will read the textbook, then you can answer. I'm specially talking about English. If you will read the textbook, you can answer all these questions. Now, who celebrate Wangalam? The Garos, the Galos, the tribes, or the Nagas? Who celebrate Wangala? Wangala, you know, the 100 drum festival. It is celebrated by whom? Yes, yes, yes. Who is writing? Yes, Gitanjali. Fine, very good. So it is celebrated by Garos. Those who do not know, quickly write it down. Garos, Garos. The festivals of Sikkim are based on Buddhism, Hinduism, Jainism, Christianity. The festivals of Sikkim, they are based on Buddhism, Hinduism, Jainism, or Christianity. So I'm talking about the festivals of Sikkim. Okay, festivals of Sikkim, Buddhism, Hinduism, or Jainism, or Christianity. Christianity. So it is Buddhism. Very good. Next is, out of 15 elephants, dash of them has howdahs for sikaris. Out of 15 elephants. So your story begins here. So out of 15 elephants, dash of them has howdahs on sikaris. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on 4. Very good. So 4 elephants, they have howdahs. Howdahs means sitting arrangement for the sikaris on the back of the elephants. So dash in the Jew were happy to get Timothy. Dash in the Jew were happy to get Timothy. Jew authorities, visitors, Jew supervisors, or writer's grandfather. Jew authorities, visitors, Jew supervisor, or writer's grandfather. So who among these are very much happy to get Timothy? Yes, yes, yes. I am from class 9. Please answer my questions. Okay, okay. Sorry, I have not answered quickly. I will just read the questions and answer. The audience, yes. So the audience is a plural noun. So you just use whichever plural verb is there. Okay, so dash in the Jew were happy to get Timothy. Jew authorities or visitors. So it is Jew authorities. A Tiger in the House was written by dash. A Tiger in the House is written by Premchand, Tagore, Ruskin Bond, William Wordsworth. Okay, A, 22A, 23 question. A Tiger in the House was written by Premchand, Tagore, Ruskin Bond, or William Wordsworth. Very good. C, that is Ruskin Bond. Then 24 question. How many days has the beggar not eaten anything? 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. For how many days the beggar has not eaten anything? For how many days? 2, 3, 4, or 5. For how many days the beggar has not eaten anything? So who is writing first? Let me see. I'm just waiting. Okay, so I have not eaten anything for 3 days. Okay, next is, Sargai provided the beggar the work of dash. Sargai provided the beggar the work of chopping wood, cutting grass, removing old broken things, or cleaning the house. Yes, very good. Madhusmita, Dippa, Rani, Niharika, yes, Rudra. So Ipsita, for 3 days. Okay, Sargai provided the beggar the work chopping wood, cutting grass, removing old broken things, or cleaning. Yes, Niharika, very good. So clap for yourself and try to answer all the questions quickly for while inside this class. So it is chopping wood. Who really chopped wood for Sargai? For Luskov. Okay, who really chopped wood for the beggar. So Sergei is servant, the beggar, the Olga, or the woodcutter, who really chopped all the wood for Laskov. Sergei, the beggar, Olga, or yes, Olga the cook chopped all the wood. Now, who are very close friends in the story? A village judge. Yes, Ashok. So, who are very close friends in the story? A village judge. Algu and Samju, Juman and Algu, or Aunt and Kariman, Juman and Samju. Okay, Algu and Samju Sahu, Juman and Algu, or Aunt and Kariman, and yes, very good. So it is Juman and Algu. These two are very close friends. Who was Juman's wife? Can you tell me who was Juman's wife? Kariman, Sariman, Mariman, Nariman. So who was Juman's wife? Kariman, Sariman, Mariam, or Nariman? Yes, very good, Niharika. So those who do not know the answer, quickly just write down. Yes, Littu. Yes, Gitanjali, Rani. Very good. So who said, "Long live the god that is the punch"? Long live the god that is the punch. Juman, Kariman, Samju Sahu, Algu. Who said that? Long live the punch that is the god, or long live the god that is the punch. So yes, it is Algu Chaudhary. Now, who had a small piece of property? Who had a small piece of property? Who? Algu, Jumman, Kariman, or Jumman's aunt? Who had a small piece of property? So it was aunt, old aunt. Lencho's family lived in a. Now it's vocabulary part. You know, vocabulary means you will get grammar questions from your prose chapter, from 3 chapters, a letter to God, at the high school, and festivals of Northeast India. Okay. So Lencho's family lived in a dash house, wooden house, solitary house, cottage, or stone house. So Lencho's family lived in a dash house in the middle of the valley. Lencho's family lived in a dash house in the middle. Yes, solitary house. They lived in a solitary house. Next is Lencho was upset. Lencho was okay, so Lencho was upset for the total loss. Here, upset means sad, disturbed, or worried, or thoughtful. Sad, disturbed, worried, or thoughtful. So, what is the meaning of upset? Upset, yes, disturbed. Upset means disturbed. A violent tropical storm in which strong winds move in a circle is called dash. A violent tropical storm in which strong winds move in a circle. Tornado, typhoon, cyclone, whirlwind. Tornado, yes, tornado, typhoon, cyclone, whirlwind. So yes, it is cyclone. Very good. Next is, the boy was not motivated by him. Give a single word for not motivated. So give a single word using a prefix in motivated. Unmotivated, immotivated, demotivated, dismotivated. Unmotivated, immotivated, demotivated, or dismotivated. So it is motivated, its opposite is demotivated. Okay, C is the correct answer. Very good, Littu, Niharika, fine. So it is demotivated. Don't leave the class. I know when grammar I start, you just start leaving the class. But listen, this one is very, very important. A course of study in school or college is called a dash. A course of study. Textbook, curriculum, scheme, or lesson plan. Textbook, curriculum, or scheme, or lesson plan. Yes, Ipsita, Madhusmita, Dippa, Littu, very good. So it is demotivated. Next is 35 question. A course of study in school. Course of study in a school or college is called textbook, curriculum, scheme, or lesson plan. Yes, B. B means curriculum. Curriculum. Try to remember the spelling, because spelling also matters a lot. Charities are exempted dash pay tax. Charities are exempted. So after exempted, which preposition we have to use? Of, in, from, on. Of, in, charity exempted dash pay tax. Ipsita. So off, in, from, on. Exempted off, in, or from, or on. Exempted from. Then 37, having regular pattern of sound or movement. Give a single word. Yes. So give a single word for having regular pattern of sound or movement. Rhythmic, rhythm, rhyme, or music. having a regular pattern of sound and music is known as, in a single word, as rhythmic, rhythm, rhyme, or music. Rhythmic, rhythm, rhyme, or music. Yes, it is rhythmic. Rhythmic. Okay. So India consists dash 29 states and 9 union territories. Give preposition to, against, of, for. India consists. Okay, no problem. So India consists dash 29 states and 9 union territories. It consists to, against, of, or for. So consists of, preposition is of. Books are made dash paper. Books are made dash paper, of paper, from paper, or for paper, or in paper. Books and paper, these are quite similar, so you can know that yes, book is made of. No, it is not from, it is of. You just go to your chapter festivals of Northeast India and you will find in page number, yes, 62, book is made of paper but paper is made from pulp. Okay, page number 62 from your book. Next is, yes, the women and children are given a sumptuous feast. Sumptuous feast, F-I-S-T, feast. So just write down the homophone of feast. F-I-S-T, feast is written here. The women and children are given a sumptuous feast, F-I-S-T. Its homophone is P-H-I-S-T, F-E-A-S-T, F-E-S-T, or S-H-I-S-T. Yes, very good. So, homophone is F-E-A-S-T. The book has made the author famous. The book has made the author famous. Choose the pattern S-V-O, S-V-C, S-V-O-O, S-V-O-C. The book has made the author famous. The book, subject, has made, verb, has made, the author, object, then famous. Famous is complement. So its pattern is SVOC. Very good. None of them dash came. None of them have came, are came, has came, or am came. None of them dash came. None of them, it's a singular. Okay, so none of them has came, sorry, have, are, has, am. Have, are, has, an. So which one is correct? None of them has. Yes, very good. Has come, came, come. Okay, fine. Do it dash yourself. Do it dash yourself. With yourself, by yourself, in yourself, at yourself. Do it dash yourself. Give the preposition with yourself, by yourself, in yourself, or at yourself. Do it dash yourself. Do it with yourself, by yourself, in yourself, at yourself. Do it by yourself. Very good. So can you tell me who wrote the Mahabharata? Can you tell me who wrote Mahabharata? Here, who wrote Mahabharata is a noun clause. Just tell me what is the function of this noun clause. Can you tell me who wrote Mahabharata? Here, who wrote Mahabharata is the noun clause. You have to say what is the function of this noun clause. Who wrote Mahabharata? Who wrote the Mahabharata? Who wrote the Mahabharata? Subject, object, complement, or in apposition? No, it's not subject. Can you tell me? Can you tell me who wrote the Mahabharata? So what is the answer here? Here it is used. So what you have to say? So if you will just ask the question to the verb tell. So what you are going to say? Who wrote the Mahabharata? So here it is used as object, not subject. It's object, not subject. Okay, last few questions. 44 question is already over. Next is your 45. Okay, so Ramesh said, I helped my friend a lot. Ramesh said, I helped my friend a lot. Make it indirect. So Ramesh said that. So I becomes he had. Past simple becomes past perfect. Okay. So Ramesh said that he had helped his friend a lot. So options are, again I am saying, Ramesh said that I helped my friend a lot. Ramesh said that I had helped his friend a lot. Ramesh said that he had helped his friend a lot. Or Ramesh said that he helps his friend a lot. So which one is correct? Ramesh said that, yes, Ramesh said that he had his helped. Yes, very good, Rani, for answering this question. And next question is, mother said to me, don't go to bed. Mother said to me, don't go to bed. Mother advised me to go to bed. So here the sentence is imperative. So imperative means we have to use to. So mother advised me to go to the bed. Mother commanded me not to go to the bed. Mother advised me not to go to bed. And mother requested me, so not to go to bed. So which one is correct here? Mother always advises, never commands, never requests. So mother advised me not to go to bed. Okay, try to just write or understand the method. He asked the boy dash. Complete the sentence. He asked the boy dash. Advised, advised or advice. What is the difference between advice and what advice? Advice, it is the verb, same meaning, but advice is the verb. We can make it advise, advised, and advice, it is noun. We cannot write adviced. No, it's wrong. Advised is the verb. He asked the boy dash. Why was he late? Why was he late? Question mark. Why he was late? Why did he late? Complete the sentence. He asked the boy dash. He asked the boy why was he late, or why he was late, or why was he late, or why did he late. So here, why he was late. He asked the boy why he was late, not why was he late. Okay, last few questions. A tiger cub dashed in the nearby forest yesterday. Yes, very good, Rani. So when you understand, you just write it down. Yes, Niharika, very good. So a tiger cub dashed in the nearby forest yesterday. So here verb is see. So use the correct form of see. Has been seen, saw, was seen, in seen. As it is yesterday, so was seen. A tiger cub was seen. Next is cheese dash from milk. Cheese dash from milk. Make, made, is made, was made. Make, made, is made, was made. Yes, yes, was seen. Yes, very good, Ansuman. So it is cheese is made from milk. So we have already completed. Next is only one question. What cannot be cured must be dash. What cannot be cured must be endure, must be endured, must have endured, or must be enduring. So once again, I would like to say we are going to do this class, or we are going to continue this class till your exam. So don't forget to join. I want every one of you to join this class and answer all the questions. Okay. So yes, answer is what cannot be cured must be endured. Okay. So with this we have completed 50 questions, and tomorrow don't forget to join, because you are going to answer once again 50 more questions. So get prepared yourself, get ready to answer. So today's thought is, you just count how many questions you have answered correctly. Till then I am saying the thought of the day. So one best book is equal to 100 good friends. One best book is equal to 100 good friends, but one good friend or one good friend is equal to a library. Okay, so just read the books, because reading book is very important, and just select good friends who gives you good advice. Okay, so I think with this you have already completed your class. So this is our preparation time. Don't worry whether you can answer the questions or not. No doubt, if you cannot answer, but your listening is very important. Okay, Niharika, very good. So just listen the questions. Just listen the questions. Listening is quite essential. If you will just go on listening, one day will come when you can answer all these questions. Okay? Okay, Susil, I will answer your questions soon. Okay, bye bye. Take care and have a nice day ahead. Thank you for joining.